What is a quat? Plus, clever tricks that kept a 92-acre job on track and an upgrade that could save your clients thousands. It's all in the April issue of Onsite Installer. In our cover story, nobody in their area was taking septic seriously, so these two young pros built a business around doing it better. 1 year later, they're Ontario's Septic Business of the Year. Check out how Canadian sanitation blew past the competition with hustle, clean installs, and a clear mission. James Stixma took on a 92-acre job with surprises lurking under every trench. Floaty tanks, busted lines, and 3,000 feet of HDPE later, this crew pulled it off with smart tools and a few clever tricks. Check out how they kept things flowing when things could have gone sideways. Your customers think they're just killing germs, but they're killing their system's biology. If you've heard of quats, you already know. Either way, this one's a must-read. Gene Bassett saw the industry falling short, so he grabbed a shovel and a seat at the table. Tired of systems choking on heavy solids and grease? These aerobic treatment units and fixed-film bioreactors are built for tough jobs, like food waste, nitrogen limits, or overloaded drain fields. Michigan just punted on statewide septic standards again, leaving contractors to navigate a mess of local rules. Check out what's changing and how it could hit your business. From tiny lots to floating communities, these crews pulled off some wild installs and cracked tough problems like high-strength restaurant waste, golf course reuse, and even wastewater on a barge. If you're working with aging septic systems and clients who can't afford a full replacement, this upgrade from Sledgehammer could save the day and save them thousands. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.